Hiya everyone. Today, hi everyone, and welcome to another showcase. Today, I'm going to be doing a story with the Washmatic washing machine. So make sure you enjoy the show. Are you all ready for the show to begin, guys? Good. Well, let's begin. Hello. Hello, Pepper. How you doing? Oh, I'm doing alright, Madame Dazelle. How are you? I'm doing okay. What shall we do today, Madame Dazelle? How about you play with your toy Enderman from Minecraft? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll go and play with it. Oops. Sorry, Wolfie. He's just the master of the show. He said he can't stand on there. It's pretty big. I've got it, Madame Dazelle. Oh my. Oh my, he looks pretty dirty to me. But anyway, we'll get it washed in the Washmatic. Can I help you, Madame Dazelle? Oh yeah, of course. Oh yeah, me please. No, not you, because you're not in the show. Okay then. Oh, can I help, Madame Dazelle? Madame Dazelle, I mean. Yes, Wolfie, you can. So, we very easily will pick a washing basket. How about this one right here, which has got the ball in, which you need to take out. There we go. So I need to put this in. Need to put this in the washing machine. I will do the detergent. Can I help you, Madame Dazelle? No, because it can be a little bit messy. Okay, Madame Dazelle. Oops, sorry, Pepper. That's alright. That's alright, Tom. So that's that. Which program do we have to use today? Come and see around the front, and then I will show you. Okay. Okay. So, which program do I have to put it on, Madame Dazelle? Are we going to use a dirty degree wash with and it's going to be a cotton wash at 30 degrees, and it's with a 1600 RPM spin. So let's turn the power on, and then Can I press the field button, Mademoiselle? Yes. Yes. Yes, of course. Right then, so that's washing. Oh no. No, we have to press the buttons as it's doing because it can't do it itself. Because we have to press the buttons for it to work. Okay. Wash. Is it shaky, madam? I mean, is it shaky up there, Max? No? Yeah. I agree with him. Yeah. And me free. Okay. Yep, it's at the at 30 degrees now. Oh, sun drain. First spin. Is it shaky still, Max? Oh no, it's okay. Okay, first rinse. We're only going to do one rinse for this wash. Up drain. Up drain. Feather spin. There we go, it's done. Shall I take it out? You can, Pepper. And also get the basket, okay? Okay, I will, Mademoiselle. There we go. There we go. And it runs nice and clean. Good. That will be it for this episode. So I will see you for another show. And say bye, everybody. Bye. 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 We'll see you guys for another episode. Until then, bye for now.